Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1965 Chevrolet C10 big back window truck. Killer little truck, guys. Of course, if you've been following my page or my YouTube site, this is my favorite body style. I love the 64 to 66s. I think these are great looking trucks. I have one. I have a 66. Of course, this is a 65. Pretty color combination. It's victory red. I can't remember what the white is. And then it's got a really neat aluminum custom bed in it with these stainless steel strips. 1,000 miles on a frame-up restoration. Good sounding 355 small block underneath the hood. 350 trans. New wheels and tires. Truck's nice and clean underneath. I apologize. We're trying to knock out our third video of the day. Unfortunately, we got weather coming. And then I am going to have some surgery, so I'm going to be down for a while. So the videos are going to stop for a while, guys. So when we get some new stuff in, you're going to have to work with my guys. Just give them a call. There's just fingerprints on it. Again, the guys rushed this thing for me to get the video done. But in the next couple of weeks, you might have to work with my guys to get pictures and videos on the new stuff. Pretty color combination. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. Again, big back window. And those are aluminum slats in there, which is pretty cool. So the bed won't rot, nothing. Good looking truck, and again, from the pictures underneath, it's nice underneath. Chrome US mags. Again, neat little Chevy small block, 355, so it's a 30 over 350. You can see it's got a nice set of Hedman ceramic headers, Holley dual feed 4-barrel, Edelbrock Performer intake, power steering. I think he said it's got power steering, power front disc brakes. Again, detailed up, real nice underneath the hood. 350 turbodyramatic trans. Oh, it's just sunk in there, sorry. Again, dual chrome mirrors. Looks like new door handles. Stone peg there. New carpet, new sill plates, new seat. New mats are on the way. Tilt column, sports steering wheel. It's got all Dolphin gauge cluster 1,018 miles, Retrosounds, AM, FM radio. Again, dual exhaust, factory rear axle, no big monster gear or anything like that. Spares under there. Again, there's always photos posted underneath all our vehicles on our website. And you'll see this one's real nice underneath. Nice seat. Looks really brand new. I know there's some stuff for the radio and the carb in the glove box. I've seen that stuff. Little cam to it, here, little low to the cam. Good old pressure tack works. It opens and closes nice.
Works. It's not getting a station.
Oh, it's
static.
Blower motor works. Yep, blower motor works. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. You can also keep track of us on our social media, our Facebook, our Instagram page. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Good, little hot rod right there.